Hey there! Are you struggling to see your notes in the Notes app on your iPhone? Don't worry, you're not alone. This problem can pop up for various reasons, like syncing hiccups or notes that might be hidden away. But no need to stress, I have got some easy steps you can follow to get your notes back in view. Solution 1. Check your note settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and tap on Notes. Now, check to see that your notes are being saved to the right account, whether it's iCloud, Gmail, or something else. If you have multiple accounts set up, make sure you select the one you want under Default Account. Solution 2. Enable Notes in iCloud settings. Next, open the Settings app again. After that, tap on your Apple ID at the top. Select iCloud and then tap on Notes. Make sure that the toggle for Notes is turned on. If it's off, go ahead and turn it on to start syncing with iCloud. Solution 3. Check folders and accounts in Notes. Now, launch the Notes app and tap the back arrow in the upper left corner to view your folder list. Make sure you're checking the correct folder. If you have several accounts, your notes could be saved in a different accounts folder. Then tap on Recently Deleted to see if any of your notes were accidentally deleted. Solution 4. Update iOS. Finally, open the Settings app on your iPhone once more. Tap on General, then select Software Updates. If there is an update available, tap Download and Install to update your iPhone. This can help fix any bugs that may be causing the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of the Notes app not displaying your notes on your iPhone. If you're still having trouble, consider reaching out to Apple support for additional help. Remember, getting your notes back is just a few simple steps away.